Welcome to Little Hands Big Pasta.
We are two Italian sisters living in Italy, and we are going to continue our kids-only pasta making journey.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
Actually, this would be Little Hands, Little Pasta.
Yes, and you know why? Because we are going to make pastina. Now, what is pastina? Let me explain, because I think you guys should know, in case you don't know what it is. Pastina, so pasta in Italian is pasta. Pastina, ina means tiny, means small. So it actually means small pasta. And this is done in such a smart way.
It's genius.
It's genius because Italians do not like to throw anything away. So imagine if you have like leftover cuts of other shapes that you did, or you have an extra piece of dough that you don't know what to do with it. So we're using egg pasta or the eggless pasta. You just leave it to dry for several hours because it has to become...
Look. So it has to be dry, but not too dry.
It doesn't have to turn into a rock.
No, it doesn't have to turn into a rock, but it has to be sort of hard, okay? So that's what you're looking for. And I actually do this on purpose because I love soups. I love pastina. And it is so easy to make that you're just going to be shocked. All you need is a cheese grater. That's all you need. Can you imagine?
That's it. So you can actually choose the different sizes. Don't go for too small.
Yes,
okay?
because if not, it's just going to turn into powder.
Because it's still, it has to have, you have to get like this crumble. Do you want to try this one?
I would go for this one.
Go.
So all you have to do is take the grater, take the dough, and just...
carefully watch your hands.
Yes, carefully. Look. It's going to break. Doesn't matter.
Look. They're all going to be different sizes.
But that's a beautiful point. Look.
Look at that. Look at it.
Don't ruin it.
Look.
It's like grating a big piece of cheese. But what you're getting is... Look. Pastina.
Pastina. This is pastina. And you know how you're going to use it? Oh, good, because you know I need to look at you guys in the eyes.
I'll continue grating.
So you have to tell the grown-ups that this is type of pasta. You do not boil it, as you don't cook it as you normally would. You put it in the broth or in the soup. So as you are cooking the soup, when you're about to eat it, you toss this in. You just let it cook for a few minutes, and you have just an incredible pasta for your cozy winter. Look at that. Now, if you feel that the pasta is a little fresh, then you can just add a little bit of flour so it does not turn into a big lumpy ball.
Yes.
And Benny, I would say that's enough. There.
Look at this beauty. It's beautiful.
Isn't it fun?
You see how easy it was to make pastina?
So remember, don't throw your extra leftover pasta dough away.
Just turn it into a ball.
Into a ball. And then let it dry out, grate it, and enjoy your delicious broth and soup with pastina. Okay?
Now, it is your turn to make it.
Wait! I just wanted to say two things. Two things before you leave, okay? The first one is that all the content of this Advent calendar, we have put it together and so much more into an online course for kids. It is obviously called Little Hands Big Pasta. It is a unique kids-only pasta journey. You'll find downloadables, extra content, because we packed it with extra content and unpublished videos. And so if you want to purchase it, it's in the link below, and you can gift all the little chefs that you know.
Another thing that I would like to say,
yes,
because people are loving our shirts. Look at this. Now, ho fame in Italian means I am hungry. I mean, really, How cool is it to have
Yeah.
a shirt like this?
And so it's our customized.
It's our customized shirt. You can order it. You can gift it also. It is really cool. It comes in a whole bunch of colors and sizes. And we obviously added the link below so you can click and purchase it there too.
Okay, we're
that's
done.
it. We're done.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Cook, eat, drink, live italiano.